cars and he didn't give me enough warning. I haven't driven this shit in 5 years. God, I do have a headache though for some reason. You have to hold it the whole time?
Yeah.
That sucks. I don't know why I have such a headache. I think because it was so cold.
Rain for you?
It's like right here. No, don't show me I was hideous. Turn the camera away. Don't distract me. I have to drive so I don't crash into Mark's car. He'd be very angry.
You would.
Alright, Volkswagen, you're never going to see this kind of action again unless I move out here. I left Chicago. Over 5 years. 6 years. It has been 6 years. It's beautiful though. I couldn't take pictures today. That sucks. I want to know why people are going up the mountain. I mean, I don't make no sense.
I was about to say, it's the thing here.
Oh, don't touch! Look, you're making a mess. Don't touch it. Now you can't touch it. I'm closing it. That makes a mark later. I'll be mad. Just like, oh, what the freak is going on here? Someone probably drove off into the ditch.
I do not see warning lights.
Ooh, my feet are cold.
We could be here a while.
I hope not. I'm freaking hungry.
Did you eat?
No, you guys eat?
No. We stopped at the lodges twice to warm up for like 5 minutes.
Yeah, I did. That's what we did. RJ and Nikki kept wanting to eat, and I'm like, I can't afford to feed all of you. I can't even afford to pay my mortgage.
Did anyone eat?
No, we didn't eat anything. We didn't get into